Hi, welcome to another quick Figma tutorial. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to create this kind of trendy UI design using Figma. So if you're interested, make sure to watch the full video. Let's get started. First, create a frame using the frame tool and set the dimension to whatever you need. For now, I am setting it to 700 pixels by 800 pixels and giving it a corner radius of 50 pixels. Then I am going to give it a gradient fill. You can use any colors you want. For now, I am using this blue gradient, which I use most of the time. Next, duplicate the frame and name the first one background and second one border. Bring the border layer inside the background layer and position it perfectly. Now hide the fill and add a white stroke for the border. To make the border look cooler, reduce the opacity to around 50%. Then change the blend mode to overlay. Also change the stroke color to a linear gradient and adjust the color as you like. Next, select the ellipse tool and draw an ellipse like this. For now, the ellipse is inside the border layer. That's why it's not showing properly. So I'll create a new frame for it and bring it outside of the border layer. Now select the ellipse again and change its color to blue or whatever color you want to use. Then add a layer blur and increase the blur amount until it looks perfect. Duplicate it and place it somewhere else in your design. You can change the size of the ellipses depending on how you want your layout to look. Now it's time to add some noise to make the design look more premium. So let's open the noise and texture plugin. Select the noise texture you want to add. I am going to use this simple one and then customize it to make it fit perfectly for your design. You can play around with the settings until you are happy with the final result. Then click add to layer. Since we did not select any layer before adding it, it appeared outside the frame. So let's bring it inside the frame and keep it below the ellipses, so we can use it as a mask. Now right click and select use as mask. Fantastic, it's very good. Let's rename the layer, duplicate it and play around with the colors and sizes of the ellipses. Then duplicate again and repeat the same process to make it look even more premium. It already looks great. Now you can add any content you want. I am just copying and pasting the content from my previous design, and that's it. Our design is ready. If you want more tutorial like this, please let me know by commenting below. I hope you have found this video helpful. If you have any question, feel free to let me know by commenting below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.